find the burning desire.
All right, we're at that part of the journey where we bring you new music. Music that has been released in the past week or so. And in the particular case of this that you're hearing right now, this one don't even release yet. This is brand new music, all courtesy of Jadan. And of course, and because of the I'm foot why we are play it. It's because it's good music. He's doing something very different with this one. And so Jadan, why you tell the people a little bit about this track, the inspiration and motive behind this track?
Well, this song is called Give. You know, it's out right now on pre-order, you know, so the item can go forward and get it, you know what I mean? Get it. But, you know, this song, I want the I know, because you probably listen to it and don't know, and I shouldn't even say it to the items.
Tell me.
But this song is really a remix. That was the mindset going into the studio, to remix Give Anks. If you know the song, Give Anks, you know what I mean? But honestly, when you come out with the finishing product, it don't even sound like a remix, sound like a new song.
A brand new song.
You know what I mean? So I decide, say, you know what, I'm gonna give it name Give. You know, so it is, if you know Give Anks, that means to give life. You know what I mean? So I just separate the Anks from the give, you know what I mean? So it's just an expression within music, you know? So this is different.
It is.
It's totally different, and I know the item are gonna love it, you know, and I'm giving it to the item.
All right. Do you know what we also want to give you?
Some information. Give them
Definitely.
some information.
I want to give you the opportunity to take your business to new heights. So I want to make an appeal to all business owners, all party promoters,
what you need to tell them? What you have to tell them, sir?
all service providers. You need to boost your sales, boost your brand's visibility with Carib Star Radio. Yeah, man, reach Caribbean communities worldwide on the iHeart platform 24/7.
What you have, sir?
They need to call the sales department. 1-800-665-9330. Learn about the affordable advertising packages. Join us and take your business to new heights. Pick up the phone and call now. What's the number? 1-800-665-9330. All right.
Hold on there. I think if you tell them the number one more time, you know.
It is 1-800-665-9330. You think them get it now?
I think so them get it.
So make them get some new music, you know. Hey, we never reached a party of the song. I first may reach a party. All right, hold on. You could take it from start.
When I said that one is different, I mean it.
Brand new music.
So move all of the cheer them.
You got everything. Give thanks. I open this morning.
Tell a neighbor. All right, to the ready.
It is abundant. To see just sun shining.
All right.
Oh, beautiful it is. Oh, Jaja, give I words. Give thanks for me reaching a life. Give I everything. Say nothing I want for you, life. Find a way to give that to you then. Success is the realization of a worthy idea.
Hear that?
You can accomplish what you will.
Ready again.
Find a way. I open. It is abundant. Let me tell you, I got the battle.
part where why. Hold on now. It a come up, it a come up.
I'm hoping this morning.
Vibes. Me say when me done with it, me I walk off some of that on the look. Energy, that one name energy.
You can know how beautiful it is. Oh, Jaja, give my words in this song to sing. I give thanks to where I reach in a life, give her everything. Say nothing I want for you, life. Find a way to give that to you, then.
Hey, this is brand new music from Kes. The new album is out. Man Without Doors.
Me 2 feet them steady on the ground while there's another war brewing in that judgment town. Yeah, you can't run, cause them go hunt you down. Don't let them find you in the lost and found. But me so ready though, me nah go hide when they call code red, you know. I ain't go matter cause the deal done settled up. Whoa, but still me nah give it up. You hear me now? We're living in a crucial time, yeah, and looking for a way forward. How long we are going wait for it? Oh, humanity rise up. True fear and no mockery. No hypocrite come wrong with them fallacy. Hey, tell them they can't get a drop on me. I know we break them monopoly. Humanity rise up. Cause life is with policy. Them still in need, yeah, they wanna breathe. I know you see it, tell me you see it. You must believe it, you hear me know. We share our love through one another for a reason. Read the weather is a pattern and a season. What it go take to free the minds of the people. Unequal shares at the table. Don't mind the trade, you know. You walk for miles, keep them out well fed, you know. Open your eyes, see the mountains swelling up. The people had enough. You know we now give it up. You hear me now? We're living in a critical time. I sure you heard it through the grapevine, yeah. This earth is our birthright. So we gon' fight. Humanity rise up. Cause I am not your property. Soul full of gold and no price for your vanity. Sanity. I know we activate the family. That is why we blessed with the energy. Humanity rise up. Cause love is the remedy. And each and every soul want to live free. I know you feel it. Tell me you feel it.
This one features Queen Omega.
Do you hear me now? Well, can you hear me now? Well, do you hear me now?
Hear me now.
Can you hear me now? Yeah.
To take the bridle from your mouth and the mouth out your eyes. Set the lock to run the road, but a girdle your loins. It's a serious time, them with them devious mind. Try to wipe out mankind. Look out buttons and signs. Stand together and the weather say we ready for the battle. Educate to elevate, break the mental shackle. Object and reject, cause man are no sheep, no cattle. Silence all the lies and make the truth rattle, yeah. We not go bound no compromise. Show warriors, we ain't cowards. We put in all the whole
So brand new music from the artist Kes from the album Man With No Doors. So from Trinidad back to Jamaica, presenting to you brand new music from the artist Janeel Mills. This is a wonderful cover. When you hear this song, you might think of Valerie, but Janeel sings about her Johnny. Are you ready? Carib Star, are you ready? Let's continue the journey. Let's do it like this.
Journey over the bridge with DJ Roddy G as he takes us on a musical ride on Carib Star Radio.
lawyer. I hope you didn't catch that. Hope you find the right girl who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay the fine that you were dodging all the time? I hear you still busy. Whoa. Since I'm coming home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. So won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Johnny?
Jadon, we're inside the segment where we present new music to our Carib Star family. This is new music from Janeel Mills. We started off the segment with Give From Yourself. Now, you're gonna beat you bad now. People in the chat, big up all of the people in the chat right now. Gotta make a very special shout out to the folks who are in the chat from week to week. Gotta send a very special shout out to the Irie Pen family. We're talking about Hopeton. We're talking about I Need. We're talking about Novelty. We're talking about Peter G. Yeah, man. Also gotta send a big shout out to Mekanai. She's in the chat from week to week. Long Belly, big up yourself. I know say you're there every week. And there are other few key people who are always in the chat. I don't want to leave out nobody. I know say Lenny always there from week to week. Big up yourself, my brother. We appreciate love that. You understand? But there's another particular artist who's always in chat. And this is why I'm going to beat you bad, because your music get played and you never once enter one word in the chat and say, yo, Roddy, we there. Fran never drop a message and say, yo, Roddy, we there. But you see, Fat Boy Slim, from week to week, day to day, from Fat Boy Slim find Carib Star, him not left we out none tall. The only time him left we out I when him up on the bridge. And that is okay. You can stay up on the bridge with it. But Fat Boy Slim, aka Bijean Gayle, has dropped new music. You want to listen now for the new music?
It is a must.
You want to listen now for the new music?
Free water well.
We are playing Lovers Rock, and Bijean has something for the ladies. Let's take a listen.
Carib Star Radio, the home of your favorite reggae hits.
Brand new music from Bijean. Gayle, hey Bijean, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, just drop a little fire emoji in the chat. Show some love to the artist. And as he sings about grooving, gotta tell you about the Mother's Day concert coming up on May 12th. This Mother's Day, groove to the sweet sounds of the Caribbean at the Reggae Lover concert happening live at Amazura Concert Hall, 9112 144th Place, Queens, New York. That's 11435 on Mother's Day, Sunday, May 12th. That's right, Barrington Levy and Maxi Priest will be gracing the stage backed by a full live band for a night of unforgettable music.
What?
Yes, tickets are moving fast, so get your tickets now at reggaelover.eventbrite.com or text 347-764-4541 to reserve your section today.
Yeah, man, the ticket them a go fast. We want to get it.
Yep. All you got to do is head over to reggaelover.eventbrite.com for tickets to the Reggae Lover concert featuring Barrington Levy and Maxi Priest live at Club Amazura on Mother's Day, May 12th. And as we look forward to Mother's Day, our own Killer Boo will be in action.
Yeah, really man, nice, you know.
Big ups to Bijean and Gayle. Killer Boo and Janeel, the car guy, present Mother's Day Tribute 20th anniversary. That's happening Saturday, May 11th at Ike's Grand Hall, 18712 Linden Boulevard, Queens, New York. Early bird tickets is $40, $50 after. More at the door. So when the early bird ticket them done, Killer Boo? When I early bird settings? Well, alright. No worry about it. Early bird settings start right now. From you hear about it, just no say it in the early bird settings. When the early bird settings cut off, $50 for the tickets them. And if you wait upon actual show night, you're going to pay more than $50. You understand?
So get it right now, my people. Get it right now. Trust me.
Yep.
Killer Boo are good. Really, you know. So get it right now. Support. Bring out your mothers, you know, and have a great time. Trust me. I know Killer Boo and the family have something special set up for the item, you know.
Yes, I know. People, we have to stop the music and we're going to hold our reasoning with Jordan because we're in the new music segment. And a few days or weeks ago, as the song come out, Jordan and the team called me and said, Roddy, that song they are road, you know. What happened? How many years you play it? Jordan, you know which song I refer to?
Well, two songs you could have talked about, you know, because I do that to two artists I sent to your way.
The last one?
But the last one, definitely, the one and only Queen, man.
Lady Patra.
Only I talk about the Queen, you know.
Queen Patra.
Herself, you know, Patra herself, yes, sir.
I noticed that you've been putting in a work. You've been around the artist. What was that like? What brought you in the company of the artist? Were you just in the same space at the same time, or was it deliberate?
Well, you know, say it is just the work.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And in the same space as her, you know what I mean? And the broom, not even the broom, but it is like the earrings, the broom earrings was what sparks the energy and the link, you know what I mean? And showing her them and she loved them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And she end up wearing them in our music video. So
Are you serious?
Yes. Yeah, man.
She gave you that kind of strength?
Well,
first time you meet her?
Well, yeah, first time I meet her at IMC conference, you know, so big up Shaggy and the whole team IMC conference.
Man.
Know? Yes, sir.
And then she gave her strength and actually wore the broom earrings in the shooting of
the
video.
I don't think it's just a strength, you know, she
genuinely loved them.
Love the earrings, because she don't know I and I from now.
Man.
You know, so she genuinely loved the product, you know.
Off air, you were saying you were going to give away something special. You want to do that giveaway the right, you know?
Well, definitely, you know, so if anyone a listener right now in America, we have some things in America, so anyone a listening in America, if you can, well...
WhatsApp, you know, so the WhatsApp line, yeah, man. We can actually have them send the message on the Carib Star WhatsApp line, or they can talk in the chat. Let me see if we can find the Carib Star.
Not only a message, you know, is a proof, you know, we want to see.
So you want to see a picture.
Screenshot or something.
Yeah.
You know, a person who can show, say, yes, them already have streamed Jordan music, or yeah, them have a song with them purchase from Jordan, you know what I mean, or them subscribe to Jordan. Somebody who can show a proof, say yes, them been supporting Jordan music, you know what I mean, I definitely let them get something like this, so me I wear a broom necklace.
So you have distributors in the States who can get the product to anybody who can show that they are a fan of Jadon's music. I'm looking for the Carib Star WhatsApp line. I want you to take a picture of your playlist or your library, wherever you have Jadon's music, however you listen to Jadon's music. I want you to snap a picture, and I'm looking for the number. Why is it taking me so long to find the number?
Can do too? Them can just tag I and I, tag I in that.
You know something like that?
And Instagram.
I like that.
Tag Roddy G.
Hashtag, man.
Hashtag Roddy G and tag I and I. Instagram, I'm Jadon369. So JAHDON 369. Pan it forward and you find me. And put the music, the song where you like to see him when I with the screenshot, and definitely the first person
that can send that forward. Like that.
Yeah.
So at Jadon369, hashtag Roddy G or hashtag Over the Bridge, and you will win yourself a gift from Broomy LLC. Now the song we were talking about from the lady Patra, the Queen Patra, Queen of the Pack is this one. Brand new music, only about 3 weeks old. I don't even think it reached 3 weeks yet, but take a listen.
Hold on. I want you to touch it tender.
You see, you know.
Tender to her.
I saw them like
I'm the queen with the magic touch. You know I'm the queen with the tender touch. That's why them love me so much.
Hold on, they may have to touch that. The whole system look while. Patra! What a rhythm tough.
Know I'm the queen with the tender touch. That's why them love me so much. Show me sexy and me wrong. Some girls are hype up themselves and I go on like them.
Hold on, the big people something enough.
Them love me. And all of them want come touch me now. This is not a game I'm playing. I wanna make love with the right feeling. Them and they love me, it's too real. So just look at the way they choose me.
Space.
Like magnet to steel. This a type of love make them and them want seal the deal. Say yes, so know that I'm the queen. So when they come to loving this, I know me are the real sex machine. Want to no flex me. I don't want no boring love, it come stress me. If you love me good boy, you'll never be lonely. I'll be your one and only, baby. Show me sexy and me wrong. Some girls are hype up themselves and I go on like them a clown. Show them and them love me. Then all of them want come touch me now. This is not a game I'm playing. I wanna make love with the right feeling. Them and them love me, it's too real. So just look at the way they check me out. They only want a good man to come in on my life. You can work my body and make me feel right. Say me no want a man, watch it all the while. Say me no want no dagger ring, I it no feel right.
You're gonna have to find Patra's Tender Touch on your favorite platform, because we gotta hold it right here. We gotta hand you over to Master Control to hear a few messages from the people who help to keep us on the air. When we come back to continue the journey over the bridge, right here, Broomy LLC, on a wonderful Saturday afternoon.
Look, you know, entertainment.
All right.